Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 10. This week we are continuing with the topic of AR verbs and yes no questions, so you'll see a lot of the similar information. However, we do have a discussion board this week about folk remedies and herbal remedies, home remedies. So there are new articles to read about that. So make sure you read those and get your initial post in by Wednesday. I think you guys will like this discussion board because some of you mentioned in your field specific projects that the person you interviewed talked about, herbal remedies or using home remedies. So it's a definitely interesting topic. So make sure you go through all that. Okay, here we have upcoming assignment, final project. Let me be very clear. I do not want you to start working on the final project yet. We still have to get through modules 12 and 13 before you can do the final project because the information in modules 12 and 13 and 11, 12, 13 must be in the final project. I just want you to start to get an idea of what it is so we don't get to the last 2 weeks of the semester and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I'm not ready for this. It is a video project and you're going to have to film with somebody. So you have now 5 weeks to start thinking about arranging that. So just read through that, watch the video. But again, do not start actually working on this yet. Wait till week 14 to actually start doing this. Okay, so for the assignments, we have the homework packet. Again, we skipped 2 weeks of homework packets, so I know the number doesn't match up. We have the discussion board that I mentioned about the folk remedies, the speaking assignment with the AR verbs and the questions, and then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions. Y hasta pronto.